know your skin. Do you know how to spot skin cancer? Dr. Bender from Advanced Dermatology and Skin Care is going to let us know because it is Skin Cancer Awareness Month and knowing how to spot it could save your life.
You want to protect yourself any way you can, trying to stay out of it if you can during the middle part of the day. And then, of course, wearing a zinc oxide based sunscreen, which is really important. We've got wonderful sunscreens today that there's just no excuse not to use one. They feel great. They don't feel greasy and yucky like the stuff we had back in the 80s did, for example. And they really protect you well. And so, of course, this month is Melanoma Awareness Month. So we're trying to really bring awareness to everyone that, hey, you need to get your skin checked.
So you can come here to Advanced Dermatology and Skin Care. You can see Dr. Bender. And what should you look for if you think you have maybe any kind of skin cancer appearing? What does it look like?
We talk to our patients about, listen, you need to be looking at your skin once a month. And of course, anything that's new, you want to kind of bring that to our attention. Anything that has been there but seems to be changing, you need to bring that to our attention. And which one of these just looks a lot different than the rest of what you have? We don't ask patients to diagnose themselves, but if something starts looking a lot different, the ugly duckling theory, if you will, then we need to take a look at that and maybe even biopsy it just to make sure there's nothing to worry about. Melanoma can come on the soles, it can come on the palms. It's very, very dangerous in those areas because who's looking at the bottom of their feet for skin cancer, right?
Not many of us.
And even in darker skin patients, that's why it's so dangerous for them. I mean, and that's what's kind of scary about melanoma because it can even come in areas that don't get a lot of sun in patients who are not at increased risk. So now obviously if you're fair-skinned and you're light-eyed and you've been out in the sun your life, whether you work out in the sun or you just enjoy all the activities we've already talked about, you definitely need to be seeing a board-certified dermatologist. And I just can't go into that enough how important it is. Why cut yourself short by going to anyone else for your skincare? And
you mentioned too, you brought up a good point, sometimes you don't think to look on the bottom of your feet, and your back is another place and it's exposed to the sun a lot if you're at the beach. I know I'm all over my fiance's back, these little bitty white spots. And that's okay, right? It's okay to check our significant other when they can't see different spots.
Well, we always tell, our patients, of course, you want someone to look at your back for you, look at the back of your legs for you. Melanoma is, women are at increased risk for melanoma on their legs, for example. Men are at increased risk for melanoma on their shoulders. Now, it can come anywhere, but those are the areas that, and it makes sense. Why? Because men were out, teenagers, 20s, were out there with no shirt on, working outside, etc. Women, wearing, dresses and whatnot, so their legs are exposed. And so those areas are at increased risk for melanoma. And melanoma killed 76,000 Americans last year. So it's definitely not something that we want to take lightly. Melanoma incidence is increasing for females aged 15 to 29. And of course that has to do with all the sun exposure, probably also has to do with getting in tanning beds and things like that. So we really need to make sure that we have good awareness even for young patients.
And as you mentioned, board-certified dermatologist, that's where it's at. This is where Dr. Bender's at. So if you see any spots or if you find one on someone you love, encourage them to see a board-certified dermatologist like Dr. Bender here at Advanced Dermatology and Skin Care Center. Can't say it enough. If you've noticed any skin changes and you want to have Dr. Bender look at them, you can call him at the number on your screen, 1-855-MY-DERMDOC. Easy to remember. The phone number and office addresses are also on our Studio 10 page on fox10tv.com.